Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wizard, and today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4 or 5, I think. So yeah, let's start this video. Wait for this round to be over first though. Oh, press this button, press! Let's go! Alright. Whoa, yo! We have to jump. I have to. Alright. I'm gonna be. Move. Alright. Move here. We're the only 3 survivors. Hey, I'm the last one. Let's go! I survived. Slide down. Oh, we have to slide down this hill. We can go down here infinitely. Button pusher, that's me, boys. Let's go. Whoa! Yo! Oh no, it's about to get. Not even the button. Not even the button is safe. Okay, we're dodging this. Oh. Dude. The water was after me for a second. The middle is not safe at all. Okay, press this button. What? Wait, what? Get on the yellow pad. Let's go. I don't know what to say. Get on the blue pad. Alright, I think this is the same thing as Epic Minigames. It's just that bit, the music is changed and it's a little bit different. Alright, it's pretty easy. He almost died. He clutched that one. Alright. Red pad. One person died. Why are we going through red and green? Now it's gonna be red. Okay, never mind, it's yellow. Oh, okay, he actually did win. Nope, I'm pressing this button. Oh, never mind. Rob the bank? Why? Whatever. Oh, but it's Mission Impossible, boys. Go. Move. Thanks for healing, bro. Thanks for healing. Now escape the bank. Move. Escape! Wait, what? Alright, I'm gonna be near the button. Or on top of it. Is this challenge gonna be over or something? I don't think this challenge will be over. Get to the top. This is I think this game mode is glitched. Yeah, this game mode is glitched. Hold up. I'll see you once this level is over. Alright. The round resumes. Throw it to the ground. Someone is trying to sabotage. We made it? I think we did. Huh? How are we? Deliver the pizza to the correct house. 62. 87, 84, 54, 64, 18, 23, 46, 86, 99, 21, 69, 49, 40, 62. Alright, I managed to pass. Press this button. Stay close to the light. Alright. So move wherever the light is moving. Whoa! Bro, my dude, whoever using the heal thing is a lifesaver. Lifesaver, man. We're moving again. Thanks, dude. We're moving again. We might be able to win this. Let's go! We won! Enter the castle. Let's go. I pressed the button. Oh, enter the castle. Okay. What? You gotta be kidding. This is Mission Impossible, boys. Alright, move. Basically Mission Impossible. Oh no! My progress is reset. Bro, I'm gonna have to reach the end and fast. Move! Wait, I'm close. I'm so close. I'm literally close. I'm so close to the treasure, bro. So close. And let's go! We made it. Alright. Get to the water. What water? Oh man, hold on. Get ready. I'm gonna stay by Aaron. Get to the bottom. Pretty sure it's here, right? The biggest opening. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, this is the end of the video. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.